Hello. This is a little brief tutorial on Voicethread. You can find it simply by typing in voicethread.com. And what it is basically a media player with a highly interactive discussion space that teachers and students can upload pictures, presentations, or documents that ends up looking like a slideshow. And then after the media is added, the teachers and students can comment on it, present work, ask questions, answering them. They can critique each other's work and engage in an ongoing conversation. Um, that's kind of what it is. I'll show you some of the products that it has. I chose K through 12 because I think that's where we're focusing on. Um, what you can see is there's a classroom license, a school license, and district license. They each give you a little bit more control. For the classroom, it's one educator, 50 students per account, and then $2 for each one. And that's $79 per year, $15 per month. So if you're looking to go bigger than that, you could go for the school, which is all the students and teachers in the building. What I like about it is at our school we all the students have Gmail accounts, so this does work seamlessly with all the Google apps, Google Docs, all that type of forms, Google Slides, things like that. Then there's also a district license there if you want to go through a whole school. Some of the things that I'm glad that it talks about student data security, which is in other courses big. FERPA, COPA, it fulfills the student privacy pledge, so there's no private messaging. It's all you can see there, no private messaging. All the work is transparent to administrators, faculty, so it's very out in the open. The nice thing also about this is that it is cloud-based, so there's nothing to download onto the computer. So I'm just going to sign in here, and I'll show you a little bit about how it works. So you're going to sign in. It's going to come up. I'm going to click Create. You can add media. There's a bunch of different forms of media. It's pretty cool media sources. New York Public Library has a bunch of images. You can upload pictures from your Flickr account, Khan Academy, and other voice threads. I'm just going to click on my computer. I would find a picture and title it Arena. Save it. Okay, and you can see it pops up there. So that's the media. I would keep going. Then you could click comment. It's going to pop up. Down here, click on it. You can type. This is pretty cool. You can make a telephone call, which will record the audio and then send it to you in a file for you to upload. You can speak directly into the microphone, kind of like what I'm doing now. You can video record a comment. So those are all different things. So if I were to just type in here, this picture is very blurry, horrible. Save it. And you can see I'm going to pop up right there. Another kid could see this student and pop up and say, you have to click allow. It's going to count you down. And Mr. Landis, this video picture is just not very professional. Don't you think you could have used a better picture to prove your point here? Especially this area right here. I can't even tell what that says. So it does have a drawing feature, and you could save that. And then it's going to upload it right there for other people. So again, you can see there, and it's going to play there. Mr. Landis, this video picture is just not very So you could do that, and the kids will go on and on and on, and that's how what makes it collaborative. It's very easy to do, and then you could share it with whoever you want to, your classes, embed it, post it. So that's how you would share it. It also has other browsing ones. The way I was thinking of using it in my class to build the community and have some online presence is, through icebreakers at the beginning. Have kids post pictures of things that they're doing, and then other kids could look through all of those and comment on each ones and similarities and questions. Maybe they've been to some of the places or done some of the things, or maybe they're interested in certain sports, and it would foster, a community learning experience there. Two ways that I would personally use it. One would be in online phys ed. I would have them go out, since I don't see them, to take pictures of various facilities, like Universal or Planet Fitness, Anytime Fitness, and have them make a slideshow and then just talk about the different pictures in the slideshow, and then have the kids go through it and review it. Another way, in health class, I could do an online storybook about a certain scenario. Maybe it's bullying, and that they could write a story with pictures and then talk over it, and then other kids could review those and add. Um, so I went up to browse too. There's other ones, photography, art. So you would just click on ones, and other ones that you can check on. This one is one on art, and you can see, they post a picture. She's talking. This person is talking. But there's a bunch of people, students, that talk, and they're just explaining what this picture represents to them. Another picture. After looking at the picture, they are just commenting on different pictures. Okay, so this could be very useful in health class, or something like this in phys ed class with different pictures of various workout facilities for them to compare and contrast. So um, excellent to critique and use. So this is Voicethread, and this is something that I will be integrating uh, very soon into my health class next semester. So after completing that first part, I did want to come back and just mention that this is an asynchronous tool. Um, this would be something that the students would do on their own time, not in real time. Um, that they could, if they worked on it in health class, they could go home and look through other people's. So um, I did want to mention that. And also, in relationship to Table 5.3, it's digital storytelling. It would be good for. So that would be a strategy, and for product development or presentations and peer reviews that would demonstrate mastery using this tool. They could do a journal, a daily journal with pictures uh, to use as reflection, and also problem solving, to think, pair, share, and do things like that. So again, Voicethread, and I hope you like it.